Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get the particle animated wallpaper on your Motorola Moto G 5G Plus. So at the first we have to go for the Play Store, and in the search pool we have to type particle. We have to get this application, Particle Flow, from Nicolas Farali. So let's install. Click open. Click OK. And as you can see, here's the preview of this wallpaper. And right now let's go back. And we have to close it. And we are going to open it one more time. And if you want to set it as a wallpaper, just go for your settings. So let's go for the settings, tap on the display, tap on the wallpaper, and we have to get the live wallpapers that we had of our smartphone, and of course we have to take the particle flow, and right now we have to click to set wallpaper. So right now it will say this wallpaper on your screen when you make these simple steps, and of course you can have a lot of fun with this wallpaper, as you can see. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.